Somebody help. I'm having problem here. Looks like this dragon fruit is too big, bigger than the bag. Oh, finally, I got it. Hello, welcome to Taylor's Tale. Today we're going to talk about how to harvest dragon fruit. Many people wondering, when can you harvest a dragon fruit? If you get it too early, it's not sweet enough. If you get it too late, it might have a problem as well, like it go crack and the ants get into it. I'll show you a video in a minute. Here are some red flesh dragon fruit flowers. After correct pruning, right fertilizing, my careful pollinating, and the pollination by our lovely bees, some fruit are ripe and ready for harvest. In the meantime, we found new problems. How to deal with them? Welcome to Taylor's Tales, Dragon Fruit Harvest and Problem Solutions. Look at these busy bees. I think they love our dragon fruit flowers. I just love watching them. Look at these dragon fruit. Aren't they beautiful? This is the reward for our efforts and confirmation that our dragon fruit growing method is correct. The success of growing dragon fruit gives us a sense of achievement, which I personally enjoy probably more than just eating them. You want to go dragon fruit hunting?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you find one? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a dragon fruit. You hold the dragon fruit. Hold it here. Let's see. And what we will cut it. What we will cut. Cut the dragon fruit off from here. We also find another important benefit of growing dragon fruit, which is to encourage our younger generations to learn and enjoy harvesting fruits. what's the best time to harvest the dragon fruit? If you harvested them too early, it can cause the fruit to not be sweet enough, which are like some dragon fruit you might purchase from the shops. Understand that it takes time for transporting most of them from overseas and storing before they get sold. So the farmers have to harvest quite early before they are completely ripe. Not to mention what kind of chemicals they could have used to increase the production. This wobbling means the fruit is ripe and it's easy to take it off. Okay, it's pretty big and bigger than the bag. It's a bit hard to take it off. Okay, here we go. Look at this beautiful dragon fruit after the effort I put it in. In my previous video, I've talked about how to prune dragon fruit, which help the dragon fruit to grow. And also I talk about how to fertilize, and the fertilizing obviously make big difference of how many dragon fruit can you harvest in each year. So this year looks like we are doing very good job. And let me put this down and look at them, pretty good. We will post the links in the comment below for you to watch. Okay. Normally, after the dragon fruit flowers and you count 45 days is the best time to harvest. If you harvest too early, it won't be sweet enough. If you harvest too late, it might crack, the ants get into it before you eat it. And this year we already have harvested many lots of them, and altogether we got about 140 dragon fruit for this year, way more than my target of 70 dragon fruit for this year. The experienced home growers normally set a harvest time for around 45 days after the pollination of an individual fruit to make sure it's completely ripe and reach maximum sweetness. Then, having said that, does it mean that the longer you wait, the better? The answer is no. This year we harvested majority of our dragon fruit before we went away for 3 weeks holiday. But when we come back, we found some of the fruit were over-ripened and cracked, with some having lots of ants on them. the seeds within had started to sprout in some of the overripe fruit. Some were eaten by possums through the protective bags. Some in the shady areas were rotten from their ends because of the continuous rain, even though I had previously cut off their dead flowers. I'll use them as fermented fertilizer later. All these taught me a big lesson. Harvesting early could be the only solution to most of the problems. If anyone has any suggestions, please leave a comment below. After all that happened, we still harvested more than 100 dragon fruits this year, as well as gaining some experience. I'm happy about that. Okay, this is the white one. Let's have a look. Ooh, beautiful. Look at them. Okay, and this one I think is red. Ooh, very nice. Look at them. Okay, now I'm going to have a try. See whether they taste any difference. Very nice. Now I try the red one directly and see any difference. Definitely better. Very nice. In my next video, I'll show you more of the red flesh dragon fruit trees I will plant. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. To help our channel grow, please give a thumbs up and share it to others. Please subscribe and press bell if you haven't already done so to watch more of our quality videos. Thank you for your great support. God bless.